In this video, I will show you a restaurant-style sauté, shrimp scampi. What? No pasta? So many recipes I see consist of shrimp scampi with pasta. But I prefer sautéed shrimp scampi alone, just with that delicious sauce, accompanied with a side of white rice. Simple, but oh so elegant. Okay, let's cook this bad boy. I'm starving. You're cooking with crank. Here's what you need to get this dish going. 5 to 7 jumbo shrimp peeled, deveined, and butterflied. 2 tablespoons of a finely minced sofrito, consisting of garlic, red onion or shallots, and deseeded serrano pepper or other hot pepper. Two tablespoons of salted butter, but you can use unsalted. Finely chopped parsley, salt and pepper, a pinch of crushed red pepper, half a cup of white wine, a quarter cup of olive oil, and seasoned flour. Also, 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. First, let's cook the rice. Rice cookers are great, but I'm old school, and I hated school. But rice on the stovetop is my preferred way to go. Simple and works every time. Twice as much water as rice, and that's it. In this case, I used 1 cup of rice with 2 cups of water. Bring the rice to a boil, cover, and lower the heat to a simmer. Once the rice is done, keep it covered and set it aside. This dish will not take long at all. First, get that skillet on the burner and add the oil. Flour the shrimp on all sides. Once the oil is hot, add the shrimp to the oil with the butterflied end down. The garlic, onion, and pepper mixture are very finely minced, so they stick to the shrimp better, so they will release flavor quickly in the oil. So when you're ready to move the shrimp around, add the aromatics, or sofrito, or mirepoix, or it can even be called the Holy Trinity of Cajun cooking. Be sure to add a pinch of salt and pepper. Once you add that mixture, keep everything moving so nothing gets burnt. This isn't one of those dishes where you're trying to achieve caramelization. Now, with the shrimp not quite done all the way, hit it with the wine to deglaze the pan so all those flavors come together. Add the butter. And a pinch of crushed red pepper. Add another pinch of salt and pepper. A squeeze of a lemon, but thanks to sheltering in place, I don't have a fresh lemon, so a squirt of lemon juice will do. Add fresh parsley and keep everything moving. At this point, the shrimp is just about done. Move them around individually to coat them before they go to plate. If this was a pasta dish, I would have added fish stock or chicken stock, so the reduction process would be longer. But this dish is almost done. Do you see how this delicious sauce is coming together? The coating of flour on the shrimp is enough to form this classic pan sauce. Now let's plate the rice. And arrange the shrimp around the rice. You see those bubbles? As the sauce thickens, the bubbles will be less rapid, and you'll see less of them. Once the shrimp is out of the pan, stir the sauce a bit, but yeah, this pan sauce is perfect, and the timing was flawless. Now take a spoon and drizzle this love all over that mouth-watering, perfectly cooked shrimp. You can drizzle some over the rice also. Garnish with some fresh parsley, and if I had fresh lemon, I would have added a wedge or two. Now your restaurant-style sautéed shrimp scampi with rice is done. Look how spectacular it looks, and it tastes just as good as it looks. Scampi are actually lobster-like crustaceans with pale pink shells, also called langoustines. One traditional way of preparing them in Italy is to sauté them with olive oil, garlic, onion, and white wine. Over the years, pasta was incorporated because pasta is a staple food for Italians, so why not, right? But all too often, when you research the origin of some dishes, you find something completely different than what we see today. Well, I hope you whip this traditional Italian favorite up for yourself and give it a try. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'm Rich Crankshaw, and you're cooking with Crank.